we are going to learn what are the vitamins in vegetables. That is, vitamin A is in carrot, cabbage. Vitamin B1 is in peas, potato. Vitamin B2 is in spinach, kidney beans. Vitamin B is in broccoli, peas. Vitamin B12 is in spinach, beetroot. Vitamin C is in broccoli, potato. Vitamin D is in broccoli, mushroom. Vitamin E is in green vegetables. Vitamin K is in turnip, lettuce.